So today we got a washing machine. It will wash socks and underwear.
It'll wash more than that. Besides, you won't need socks and underwear where we're going. Get it up there. Get it on the fender. Nice. Alright, I'm going to lift it and push it towards you. We're going to get to a point where you have to hold it. So you're responsible for it now. Oh, good. That's better. Turning it's a much better option. There we go. Alright, move. I got it. I got it. Alright, we're on. We didn't drop it.
We made it aboard our new machine, washing machine. Our new washing machine made it aboard.
It made it? You mean we got it? It didn't do anything. Handrails that were sold to us by our broker. They're in the way. That's a hefty handrail.
You made it inside.
So, move it to the stairs. The handle,
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Yep. Lift. Down. Ready?
So we gotta leap over
There's a
the corner that we have
whatever
to
you want to call that.
lift it up. We can't use the handles because it's too narrow over here.
Yeah.
So we gotta lift it from the bottom.
You gotta lift from the bottom,
We can do that.
and
From
you're
the
just
bottom.
gonna lift it up, bring it over, and put it down.
Yep.
It's gonna
So
fit.
we measured it's gonna be
It's gonna fit.
inch to inch.
This is just under 21 3/4. 21 3/4. 21 3/4. It's gonna be millimeters.
Millimeters.
Clearance.
Clearance. Okay, let's do this.
Ready?
Yeah.
Up. Forward. Push, push, push. 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 You gotta push. I have it. Push. 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 Good. Down. Awesome. I knew there was a little bit of give in these panels.
Ah,
We actually compressed it.
we didn't even scratch.
We had to compress
No
it
scratch.
to get it through.
Oh, we made it through.
Okay.
0 inches.
Negative inches.
Negative inches.
Negative clearance.
Oh, it's in.
No, well, getting it in there is going to be tough too. right.
What have you been doing over here? It's not yet ready yet.
Where?
You gotta be like those people who are, honey, there's a surprise for you.
Yeah.
And I just come downstairs and it's like
It's all done.
all done.
Yeah.
Now I need to do heavy lifting.
Right. I need the yellow handle. Start there.
When we were ordering our boat, we went through the factory options, and we opted for washing machine utilities, but not for the washing machine itself. And this is what we've got. Tool number 3.
Yeah. You can bend it, and it retains its opening in the center. If you get the cheap stuff without the wire, this is this heavy duty wire. Vinyl braid is similar. That's pretty good, but cheaper. If you get just straight tube with no reinforcement, what happens when you route it and you bend corners? The tube flattens and collapses, and it restricts your flow. You gotta lift up and rest it on the lip. All right, let's go. Stabilize it.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
And push it to me once we get it out. Yep. Push to me. A little higher. Push. Push. Yep. Down. Hold it.
Yep.
You okay?
Yeah. I don't think you can get out.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
No, you can't get out.
You doubt me?
No.
Do you doubt me?
How are you gonna get out?
I'm gonna get out right here.
No.
Yeah.
No. Let's
Hold it there.
let's put it down. Hi.
Hi.
Go. You gotta move faster. Plug it in.
Did I turn the power off? I did not. That
Power's on.
our LCD has a defect. The top one doesn't light.
Oh.
55, 10, 2, 45, 35. I don't see any water coming in. It's spinning.
Maybe when it's rinse, it's. Uh-oh.
What the fuck is that?
Something fell out.
I don't know what that noise is. Plug in the power, run the test cycle.
Put order.
Manual fill.
Manual fill. So just filling with the water and doing the rinse and spin
Okay.
cycle.
Let's try again.
Take 2.
That noise is. I don't like that noise. Let's try again. Oh, it's draining. It's draining. Okay, yeah, there's water flowing. This is the drain valve. Lave. This needs to be open when you're running the machine. Up. Parallel to valve is open. Open, open. Supply has to be opened, which is in the back. I don't know if you can reach it or not. It didn't fill though.
It didn't fill. No, that's inside.
What is that?
There is something inside.
There's something.
Wow.
It's probably that fucking plastic. Black plastic that broke up. This is what came in our brand new washer. Stuck under the agitator somewhere above the drain pump.
Yeah.
Nice rattling noise when you turn the spin cycle on. That's two problems. That's two problems so far with this unit.
Yes.
The LCD
Two problems.
has
Gotta
a dead,
complain.
a dead thing. I don't know what you call those. The little
Yeah.
8-bit display. I need the light back. Good thing the agitator comes out nice and easy.
Didn't find anything else over there?
No, we'll turn it on again and see if we get another noise.
Yeah. Okay, take 3. Ta-tam, ta-tam.
Rinse and spin.
Do we need
It
more?
makes nice noises.
Do we need water?
Well, it pumped it out last time, so I think it's fine. I think it's okay.
But it's still not filling.
Maybe it doesn't fill because it assumes you're coming off of a wash cycle.
Because we're, yeah, on the rinse.
I don't know. I don't hear anything.
It's a spaceship.
Back up to speed. Oh yeah.
Oh,
It's filling.
there's the water. How many?
It probably doesn't have a pump to fill. It has a pump to drain only. It's relying on our water pump to fill.
So now we're using our pump.
You're draining the tank.
We're halfway
Fill
up.
about half the drum.
Half
The
the
spec
drum.
sheet, I think, tells you how much water it uses.
Oh. Oh, it filled the whole drum. Oh wow, that is a lot of water.
This is how a top loader works.
Hold on. One more thing that needed to be done was the outlet. If you remember, after the power surge, we installed the temporary plug. What about the outlet?
This is the outlet.
Oh, that's the part for the outlet?
That's the outlet. That's it.
So now we pick the rainy day to pull the machine out and go back to the well again. And we have torrential rain over here today. We wanted to go out paddling, but that didn't happen. So we were doing the washing machine instead. You gotta come out with us, look at the sunset. So pretty sunset today. Look.
But you can get the sunset without the radio tower now. See, the sun's moving farther south.
Yeah.
As the
Just watching the sunset.
Oh, hi.
Hi.